Alright everybody, I'm going to show you how to add fees to permits that were created in Accela and then port it over into Viewpoint. So we've got our old Accela permit number here. We're going to choose that. And then we're going to go down to the Add New button here. Then we'll select Payment. And we're going to label this Fees. We want to label them the same just to keep them consistent. Then click Add. And then once that's in there, then you can start adding the fees in there, like the admin fee, the technology fee, whatnot. And once you start adding these in there, it'll start to total up here at the bottom here. So you add all these in, and then go ahead and pay with a check or pay with the credit card or check, and go from there. Okay.